earnings. It's Piramal Pharma that did come out with its set. It seems like a steady set this time around. What's the outlook going ahead from Piramal Pharma? Let's try to decode all of that. And for this, let me welcome Nandini Piramal, chairperson of Piramal Pharma, joining us on the show. Hi Nandini, very good afternoon and great to have you as always. Firstly, let's touch on your revenues, because your revenue as well as EBITDA margins, they saw a steep drop this time around, especially in terms of the margin performance. If you can help us highlight the factors behind it, and if you can break down the main drivers behind this decline, and how do you see this number to recover in the times going ahead?
Our revenue for the quarter was 2,044 crores, and our revenue for first half was 3,977 crores. This was primarily impacted by the destocking of one of our major customers for an on-patent pharma product. Overall, we see H2 being better in both revenue and EBITDA going forward, but we do see that we will moderate our guidance to a flat revenue and EBITDA getting to about 10%.
Right, Nandini, also with the third generic player in the picture, Shandong, entering the isoflurane market, how do you see competition shaping up, and what impact could this have on your market share and pricing?
So isoflurane is a smaller market than the sevoflurane, but I think we have seen much competition. I think the challenge in inhalation anesthesia is not just the manufacturing, but also the marketing. And I think we have seen, at least in the Western markets, the Chinese companies struggling to enter the market because of the way the selling practices work. So I think I'm very confident about our critical care business, and I think we'll continue to hold that market share.
All right, but Nandini, with nearly $200 million of, say, US dollars that you have invested across your US sites, help us understand what kind of a revenue potential do you foresee from these expansions over the next 2 to 3 years?
So we're seeing a lot of benefits to our US sites with the uncertainty that is happening across the world. We are seeing definitely customers looking to onshore, and we made proactive investments not just in the ADCs, but also in our fill finish and a high potent. And so we are seeing that customers are looking to onshore. We have capacity, and so we've seen an uptick in RFPs and RFIs. I think there will be a big benefit to this. I can't give you exact numbers, but I do think that this is one of the things that makes us special and gives us an edge in the market.
Also, Nandini, you mentioned early signs of recovery in the US biopharma funding during September to October. Have you started seeing a pickup in the new RFPs or order conversions as a result of that?
We saw a pickup in biotech funding in September and October, and as you have seen, there has been more M&A activity as well, which has, it is in the news. So we have seen more people now willing to make decisions, and we have seen a higher uptick in RFPs and RFQs.
All right, and lastly, Nandini, could you elaborate on the progress with the Sellers-Willy collaboration with New Amsterdam Pharma? When do you expect commercial supplies to begin?
So I think we did a joint investment with New Amsterdam Pharma for their drug. This is a drug that they're very excited about, and unfortunately, I can't give you dates because they're obviously in charge of the approvals and the regulatory submissions. But I think that's something that we remain very excited about. We've developed specialty in handling this class of drugs, which requires specific handling. And again, this is why a lot of our customers come to us, because of the technology and the ability to handle it.
And well, Nandini, thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us. We'll let you go on that